Hey guys, I was just playing around with the kvCORE Chrome extension with the Craigslist poster, and I want to show you a few things here with this. One of my favorite hacks, I'll show you that, and also something about the smart number that kind of shows up in this feature. So here I am, I'm in a listing, a local listing. I'm going to go to, where's the more actions, right here, and I'm going to click post to Craigslist. So right up here in this 3-bar here, there's probably other places you can get to that, but post to Craigslist. And of course, what you're going to see is as soon as I pick my county here, it's going to quickly, I'm not doing anything on the screen. It just did that really quick. It kind of took over my browser and did a bunch of this stuff. And there's an unpublished draft right here. Now, one of the first things I want to show you is it says info and pics, please text Ryan to, and this is kind of my global call to action for the smart number, where that'll come to me because I have an office smart number and I haven't purchased my own kvCORE smart number yet. Now, if I had purchased my own kvCORE smart number, one of the things I want to point out is we'll go to this account here. This is a demo. If I had a kvCORE smart number, it would automatically append the MLS number right here for info send to, and I might actually ask our product team to change this language a bit just to make it punch a little bit more. Maybe we'll put some characters around it so it really sticks out, some asterisks and things like that. But it might say, for much more details about this property, send this to this now. We'll make it more marketing. But anyway, the key thing I want to show you is that if I had a smart number, and if you have a smart number of your own, it will append the MLS ID, and then it'll send back the property info whenever somebody texts it. So I thought that's pretty interesting right there, and another good reason why you might use the smart number, the fact that it will enable any MLS number texted to that smart number to then be replied with the property info back. And I think if you want, you could text what you see on the screen there. It's just our demo account. You can kind of see what that would look like right there. So that's one thing that I wanted to show you. The other thing I mentioned is that I have this hack that I like to use. I've mentioned this over the years many times, but I don't think I've talked about the Craigslist extension in a very long time, maybe over almost a year and a half, or shown this hack. So I figured show it to you guys now. So the hack is that if I go here, it's almost published. If I go to edit images, like so, it grabs the first image. One thing that I might ask, now this brings to mind what I'll ask our product team to do. It should say for more details and all pictures and more pictures of this property, right now text to the number. That would be the right call to action because there's more pictures obviously, but it's only ever showing the first one, which I think is a good tease. We like it like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another image. All right, so I'm going to go right here, have some fun here. And I'm going to grab, I just made this image. I like to keep kind of an ugly, really ugly image. Yours doesn't have to be ugly, but I promise ugly works better. If you study direct response, you know ugly works better. But I've got this really ugly image here. It says, see Pinellas County foreclosures, fixes, motivate sellers, and other deal types, 727realestatedeals.com. And this will go to my main core lead magnet page that I'm always talking about. I have a landing page set up that this URL that redirects to. And what this does is that this is now the second image with the Craigslist post, and as people are browsing Craigslist, they'll then see this and they'll be like, oh, interesting. And they can't click on that, and Craigslist doesn't allow you to put, URLs inside the body of your post. This listing happened to actually have one in the MLS remarks, and you see it doesn't hyperlink it. So I could easily also add it here and it wouldn't be hyperlinked, but if somebody scrolls through the image, they go to see more pictures, they're like, oh, what's this stuff? And this could be a cool way where if they're not interested in this particular listing on Craigslist, they then go to that image to check out what's being offered. I imagine I haven't had much experience with Facebook Marketplace with posting listings. I got to kind of get on my game there, but I imagine that you could do a similar thing with a Facebook Marketplace listing. So two things. If you do have a smart number, this will automatically insert the MLS ID and make it go to your smart number. If you don't have the smart number, it'll just put your name here. You can manually edit this and change it if you want, but the functionality where the MLS returns the details about the property, I don't think that works unless you have your own smart number. I'm like 99.9% sure that is what it is. That's one of the benefits of having the smart number. And then the second thing, of course, was this ugly image technique. Do me a favor, down below, let me know what you think of this stuff right here. Let me know if you are using Craigslist these days. Are you using Facebook Marketplace? Do you have a smart number? And if you want to, I'm going to post this to YouTube. Of course, like every other time, I need you to smash the like button and subscribe, as the kids say. I'm getting on this YouTube thing here. You got to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stuff like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.